Mastering everyday English. Cover all your bases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms, making them easy and fun to learn. Today, we're exploring a very popular phrase, cover all your bases. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, at work, or in casual conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it confidently in your everyday English. The phrase, cover all your bases, has its roots in the American game of baseball. In baseball, a team must ensure that all bases are covered or defended to prevent the opposing team from scoring runs. This strategy is crucial for a team's success in the game. Translating this concept into everyday English, to cover all your bases means to thoroughly prepare for any situation by considering and addressing all possible outcomes or issues that may arise. It's about being meticulous and leaving no aspect of a situation unchecked or unprepared. You can use cover all your bases in various contexts, from business meetings to personal planning. Here are a few examples to show how versatile this phrase is. In business, before launching the new product, let's cover all our bases by conducting market research, preparing a solid marketing strategy, and ensuring customer support is ready to handle queries. In personal planning, I'm covering all my bases for the trip by booking my flights and hotels in advance, getting travel insurance, and making a list of places I want to visit. In problem solving, to solve this issue, we need to cover all our bases, identify all potential causes, evaluate all possible solutions, and then implement the most effective one. These examples show that regardless of the scenario, covering all your bases is about being thorough and prepared. While using the phrase, it's important not to confuse it with similar-sounding phrases that have different meanings. For instance, touch base means to briefly contact someone to provide an update or to check in. A tip for remembering and using cover all your bases effectively is to visualize the baseball analogy. Think of a situation where you're strategizing to ensure success by addressing every possible angle, just like defending all bases in a game. And that's a wrap on cover all your bases. We hope this video has not only clarified the meaning and usage of this phrase but also shown you how it can be applied in various contexts. Remember, mastering phrases like this one can add a layer of nuance and fluency to your English. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to cover all your bases in your journey to mastering the English language. See you in the next video.